Hi everyone, welcome back to my new kitchen upgrade for less than $500, and we did it all by ourselves. This is how our old kitchen looked like. I have shared this on YouTube with you guys when we moved into our house. It is a small kitchen, but it did not have enough place to store all my appliances and my groceries. So we decided to upgrade it ourselves. And you can see here all my leftover groceries that did not fit into the cabinets. And also on top of the fridge, I had more grocery that I could not put in any cabinets. So it was very difficult. So we decided that we will upgrade it ourselves because calling a contractor for this will be way too expensive. Finally, I'm able to share this moment with you. Thank you so much for staying on. This is how my new kitchen looks like. We painted all the cabinets white for a clean and a bright look. And along with the cabinets, we painted even this table that was the cherry finish that we did as a DIY project as well. This is how my kitchen looks like now. It was very labor intensive. It took us several days to sand all the cabinets and to paint. We used the regular paint for cabinets that you get in Home Depot or Lowe's, and we had to do several coats of this. We used the spray gun to do the spray painting. We had to cover everything in the kitchen, and this dish rack that you saw is one of my favorite because it holds a lot of dishes. I brought it on Amazon, and this is the basket for holding potatoes, onion, anything that does not have to be refrigerated, and it is very helpful. This is the door that leads to the sunroom. Make sure to watch my DIY sunroom project as well. And these wall-mounted baskets I ordered from Amazon to put all my baking ware in because we bake a lot at our house as well. We cook and bake a lot. So I definitely needed all the organizing stuff. And these baskets I got from Walmart to put in my extra groceries, and this cabinet is from walmart.com to keep my actual pantry items. So that was very, very helpful. This is how my cabinets around the stove looks like. It's really helpful because the white really brings in a lot of, I would say, brightness to the kitchen and makes me really happy. This is how the stove top and the counters next to the stove top looks like. I brought those small baskets from IKEA a long time back, and I have kept them. And this is my kitchen that I'm really, really happy to share with you. And this corner rack that you're seeing with appliances is very helpful. I got it from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.